What's up guys, my name is ENS.
Oh no! Oh no!
Damn recording. I'm doing the tutorial video for real. ENS, cut that out. Cut that out! What's up guys, my name is ENS Ferrero and welcome back to another video. So today on this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to edit videos on Final Cut Pro X. Now I use this software from like many years now. Ever since I moved on from iMovie to Final Cut Pro because I wanted more advanced to be like a pro edition, and as you can look around the software, they have a freaking toolbox which is comparison to Adobe Premiere Pro. But that's not why we are here, okay? I'm gonna teach you how to import the footage right here in the software. And this bottom part over here is the timeline. And before you import the footage, you gotta have to record the video on your phone. And if you got the footage on your camera, then that's awesome. You really rock. Pause, ENS, you freaking idiot. Alright, so I forgot to mention that once you're done recording the footage, then we're gonna import it. But before we begin on this tutorial, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell, and share this video out. Now let's begin. First things first, you click the import button right here on the top left corner and you'll find this. Okay guys, look at my face here. ENS, zoom in on that. Yeah, that's freaking me, alright? Now, I know all of you suckers are like, ENS is so cringe. Well, it was back in the days, okay? I was recording that gameplay on my phone, so we're gonna have to use that footage as an example, okay? Not this private videos that I'm working on, but we're gonna select that video and we're going to import it. So you click it right here and bada boom, pow. Oh! So you got the video imported. You double click right here and you grab and hold it and drag it down all the way to the timeline. And I'm gonna put 60 FPS or whatever. If you want to choose 60 FPS, then you're a GP, alright? Now, let's press OK. And as we can see over here, I can see some problems over here. Now, we're gonna fix this today, alright? Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me prove it to you. I'm gonna hold the red line here and scroll all the way down right here. And here we go. All you need to do is to trim this bad boy. You hold it and you drag it all the way to the beginning, like right here. Now, let's give it a listen.
What's up YouTube? What's going on? ENS Ferrero here.
That was the old intro. So in order to select the blade from the tool section, you click the select toolbox right here and you find a blade which is right here. You click the blade button and you're gonna drag it right here. So I'm gonna go like this. Boom, got him. And we scroll all the way over here and go like that. And I go to the toolbox, press select button, select this, and press the delete button. Boom, got him. So guys, in the next episode, I'm gonna show you how you can raise the volume while you're talking and how you put the sound effects on that video, so that way it could be easier for you guys if you stay tuned on the next episode. But for now, this episode's over. So anyways guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe today to become the Jugger, and I will see you guys next time.